10 best Bitcoin mining pools. Number 1, Slush Pool. Slush Pool is one of the oldest Zcash and biggest Bitcoin mining pools, with over 15,000 people mining Bitcoin and 760 mining Zcash on it. The company runs Bitcoin and Zcash mining pool servers located in Europe, the USA, Canada, Singapore, Japan, and Russia. They have a proprietary software known as Branch OS Plus for auto-tuning to maximize mining hash rates and lower power consumption on different miner equipment. Number 2, FT Pool. Best for merge mining for cryptos, ASIC miners with high hash rates earning off free coins while mining BTC. F2 Pool was founded in 2013 and hence one of the earliest pools for mining Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The pool can be used for mining multiple cryptocurrencies on multiple blockchains, also known as immerged mining. You can also receive free coins from mining Bitcoin with the pool. Number 3, Antpool. Antpool is the second largest Bitcoin mining pool with a 14.3% share of the Bitcoin mining hash rate. Apart from Bitcoin, you can use it to mine BCH, LDC, ETH, ZTC, ZEC, Dash, and many other crypto and tokens. The daily revenue from Bitcoin mining is 0.34, with the default minimum payment being anything above 0.001 BTC.